Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how you can easily change your VRchat name, display name, or your name. So guys, follow me on this video and let's get started. First step guys, you need to do just log in your account from here. After that guys, click this icon and the setting icon as you can see here, and after that this is my name. And if you want to change your name, and in my case I just changed my name, and what you have to do, if you don't change your name, click this your name here and click save here. In my case I changed the name, and you can change your name every 3 months. So guys, you can change your name every 3 months or per 19 days. This is in my case. Just if you don't change your name, just write your name here, rename your name and change your name and click save this option. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question guys down below in the comment, and I will answer your question as soon as possible.